How to recover deleted text messages on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily recover deleted text on your Android. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. The very first thing you want to do is open up your messaging app. Once you open up your messages app, in some cases you might have archived your text messages. For example, if you're using Google's Messenger, you can just swipe left to easily archive any of these chats. So as you can see here, it's really easy to be accidental. So you might have accidentally moved them to archive. Now to retrieve them from archive, tap on your profile icon and head over to archived. And then from here, all of your messages will be here. Just select them and then tap on this icon to unarchive them at once. So this is the first method that you can check. And in some cases, you might have deleted it accidentally, but it will be on your trash can for 30 days. So for that, you'll have to open the phone's default messenger. I'm currently using a Samsung device, so I'm just going to use Samsung's messages app. And then I'm just going to continue with Samsung messages. Now, once you open up this messaging app, if you delete anything, for example, let me just delete this first. So I'm just going to move this to recycle bin. So to access your recycle bin or your trash can, just tap on the three lines here and then tap on recycle bin. You can select your text message and then from here you can restore it. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.